Alright, so I'm back here on Williams 72. We're looking at these axle seals. Nick brought this up the other day. How they've been basically silicone bombed in, which is a no-no.
That's what it used to look like.
That's absolutely not how that goes in. But those have been replaced. They're not original, at least, so that's a plus. So we got that going on. So I'm gonna pull these and see exactly what we have going wrong in here. All right, so didn't even need to get the axle seal puller on the slide hammer that you sometimes have to get. I just put the little pry bar in there and went bink. But these are press fit from the factory, which I don't quite understand why we are looking at a silicone mess in here. But gonna have to clean this out now and get a see if somebody damaged something or what. Because if you look, it's not completely, mating surface isn't completely flush. So I want to see that, clean that up, and go from there.